Hello, Joe here again, looking at DSS. And in front of you there, on the computer screen, is simulated the KAMCODE version of DSS code. You can get it on eBay. I'll put it up there for everybody to have a go at it. Look, I've used 9 switches mainly to give you all these options without fiddling around with encoder and drop down menus and all the rest of it, and make them easily accessible for you. You can see the code running there. I've got to be quick at this, and the switches are self-explanatory. There's a frequency step. When you press this switch, it puts a little C there which tells you you're in channel steps, and the channel steps are as shown on eBay. And then you've got the swap function there, which swaps the data from module 1 to module 2. And if you hold it down, it will copy the data. And then you've got this switch, which goes from transmit mode to receive mode. It's in receive mode when you see that little U or little L. If you hold the switch down, you change that to L. It goes back into transmit mode. But if you press it again, you can go back into the receive mode. Now, all these switches are replicated on the COM port function. So I'll show you how to go into the COM port function. If you press down the menu switch, you see the cursor moves down to this position. You do a right or a left cursor which moves it over to here. And incidentally, in that position, you can change the modules which you are speaking to, either module 1 or module 2 on the switches. By pressing the menu switch whilst in that mode, you go into the comms mode, and I'll bring down the comms mode I've simulated on this computer program, and I'll bring down the comms window. That is what the comms port will look like if you have a dumb terminal connected to the comms serial port, and you can give instructions to it. If you do a B, which means boot up next time you power up, and answer yes to the question, next time you go into this mode, next time you switch on your generator, it'll boot in the comms mode. So I've switched it off and I'll boot it up again, and you see it comes back to the comms mode. Sorry about the shaking camera. Now, in the comms mode, of course, you could have your transceiver under your aerial, and you can toggle it by this quite easily. Now, you can give it instructions like F, set the frequency to 0, 1, 0, you see it comes up on the display. Or you can set the offset mode, offset. If you want to set the offset, I won't set anything. Or you can toggle between transmit and receive, you see there, T or U. Or you can swap between modules if you want. And you can do all sorts of things. I won't go into all of the commands that I've implemented here, but just to show you that comms mode is possible. Or you can change the module you're speaking to by going on to comms module 1. So that's a quick explanation of the COM port for you, and I hope you enjoy using this code. I spent a lot of time writing it actually. And okay, Joe here. Bye for now.